everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a mini macrame wreath ornament. Let's get started. Fold your rope in half so that you have a tail about 8 to 10 inches long, and then another piece of string that is the rest of that remaining length. Go ahead and place your ring directly on top of your rope so that you have this nice arch that sticks up above the ring. We're going to take the long part of our rope and we're going to take it and curl it over the ring to send it through that arch. And pull it all the way through. And then just pull it tight. Now we repeat, so take that long section and stick it right behind the ring to form another arch. Take that string through the loop. It's going to go over the ring and through the arch. And you pull it nice and tight. And that's all we're doing. Send it behind the ring, curl it up and over the ring to go through the loop, pull it through, slide it into place, and pull it tight. Keep doing this all the way around the ring. Okay, so now that my ring is nearing the end, I wanted to show you again, now that my rope is a little shorter, it might be easier for me to exactly show you the knot. So that long piece of string comes right behind the ring to form this arch slash loop. Then we just send that remaining end up and over the ring to go through that loop. And then I just pull it tight. Behind the ring, up, over the arch to go through the loop, and you pull it tight. And we're just going until you can no longer see your ring. Just like that. Now my ring is completely covered. Here's a close-up of what that ring should look like all covered up. You get this really beautiful ridged pattern all the way around. Now to finish our wreath, you have a few different options. You can add a bead up here, or you can tie a ribbon, or you could leave it very plain and just tie an overhand knot right here to connect the ends and leave very simple and beautiful as is. You can even maybe hot glue on some cute flowers or pine needles, a pine cone, whatever you would like. So here's a little example of me tying a bow onto it. And for this wreath that we've been working on today, I'm just going to add a bead and show you what that looks like. So I'm just going to take my little wooden bead and slide it onto both of these strings. And now the final step is to take the two ends here and figure out how long you want your little loop to be to hang this. and tie an overhand knot. So I'm just going to take those ropes and tie an overhand knot. And then I'm going to take my scissors and just trim off the ropes right above that overhand knot. And my little macrame wreath ornament is finished. So again, you can get creative and customize your finish. You can tie a bow, add a bead, keep it plain, hot glue other decorative elements. You could hot glue a bow down below instead of tying it up above. So it is really a personalized wreath for you to completely make your own. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.